In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure UK VAT and manage taxes for digital goods on Shopify. Understanding how to set up taxes properly is crucial for running your e-commerce business smoothly, especially when dealing with digital products, where VAT regulations can be a bit tricky. So, let's guide you through this process step by step to make sure everything is correctly configured. To get started, you'll first want to head over to the settings. You can easily find this located at the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in the settings section, look over to the left panel and select the option labeled Taxes and Duties. This is going to be your main hub for managing tax settings across your online store. Now that you're on the taxes page, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll see an option to charge VAT on digital goods. Go ahead and select this. By doing so, Shopify will create a special product collection automatically titled Digital Goods. Any digital products you add to this collection will then have VAT charges applied to them in accordance with UK regulations. For those of you selling a variety of digital products, this automatic creation of the digital goods collection ensures that you are always compliant without having to manually adjust VAT settings every single time you add a new product. It's a huge time saver and minimizes the risk of oversight. But what if you have existing product collections that also contain digital goods? No worries, Shopify has you covered. You are able to select other collections beyond the automatically created digital goods collection to include VAT. This flexibility allows you to customize your settings according to the specific needs of your store or the types of products you offer. Take a moment to review your products and ensure they're organized into the right collections before proceeding. Once you've set your preferences and are confident with the setup, simply click Save. This confirms your configurations and applies your chosen settings store-wide, which means you're now ready to start selling to your customers with the correct VAT charges in place. And that's it. You've now successfully configured the UK VAT settings for your digital goods on Shopify. With these settings in place, you can rest assured that your store is compliant with UK VAT laws, freeing you to focus on the other important aspects of growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to consult Shopify's help resources if you need further guidance or clarification. They provide a wealth of information that can assist you with managing every aspect of your online store. Happy selling!